we have our maagtikon nga ABC President. Let's put our hands together for Honorable Virginia C. Yap. We would like to acknowledge as well the arrival of our two of our SB members. We have Honorable Makoy Yap ang kanan, and of course Honorable Ralph C. Lim. Ayan. So I think we're all set. I'm requesting everyone to please settle down.